If your thermostat cannot detect multi-stage HVAC equipment correctly, it can totally mess with your home comfort and energy bills. So, first up, make sure your thermostat is actually compatible with your multi-stage system, because not every thermostat talks the same language with all HVAC setups. Next, double-check the wiring. Sometimes a loose wire or wrong connection can confuse your thermostat. Also, don't forget to set the thermostat properly for multi-stage operation. There's usually a setting or switch that tells it how many stages your system has. If you've got a smart thermostat, update its firmware because outdated software can cause detection problems. Try resetting the thermostat to factory settings if things still seem off. It can clear glitches. Another tip: regularly clean your thermostat and check for dust or debris that might interfere with sensors. Make sure your HVAC system itself is working fine by scheduling regular maintenance with a pro. Lastly, if all else fails, calling in a trusted local contractor who knows multi-stage HVAC systems can save you a ton of headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with multi-stage HVAC thermostats is using an incompatible thermostat, which leads to incorrect stage detection and poor system performance. Fix this by checking compatibility before buying. Another common issue is improper wiring that causes the thermostat to misread signals from the HVAC. Getting a professional to do or verify the wiring solves this problem fast. The third mistake is not setting up the thermostat's stage settings correctly, so it runs inefficiently or won't switch stages when needed. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions or get help from a contractor if you're unsure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who specialize in HVAC and other home projects, making it easy to get the right help when you need it. For contractors, it's a great platform to connect with new clients and grow their business in their local area.